Hi everyone, thanks for watching the video. In this video, we will see how to change the port of Tomcat server in your local or in your server, in the Tomcat server. So first, I have started the server, Tomcat server, and which is running on the 8080. If you want to change the Tomcat server port, we need to decide which port we are going to change and to which port we are going to change. Okay. So once we have a desired port number, then go to the root folder. Under the root folder, you will be having a config folder. If you open a config folder, you will be seeing the server.xml. You will be seeing the server.xml file, so which is the main config file for the Tomcat server. So if you edit this file or open this file, so you when you open this, so you will be having the multiple ports here. So please don't confuse. So you will be having an option called connector port. So this is the actual port where you're trying to connect. So now I'm changing the port to 8089 or 9090. So I will change the port to 9090 and I'm saving it. I'm stopping the server now. I'm stopping the server. Now I will refresh the page. It should not work, and I will change the port to 9090. Now we'll see this should also not work because I have not started the server. So to take the effect, we need to definitely restart our servers, restart our server to change the port. The port to I mean, if you change, I have changed the port from 8080 to 9090. So if I not restarted the server and I'm trying to reach on 9090, it will not work because as I'm not the changes what I made was not reinitialized to a server. So now I'm starting a server again. Starting the server, it was loading. Yes, I'm deploying the projects what we have in the web apps default folder. Yeah, server started in 5116 milliseconds. Now if you refresh the page, now we are able to access the from 9290. So let's take an example. If you're let's take another example. If you are using the port, some of the port, and if you're still unable to access even after your multiple restarts, so just I'm taking an example of that. So 8081, I'm running another service on 8081, and now I'll try to start the Tomcat server once again. So I'm clearing this CLS, starting the Tomcat. Now if you see that command prompt, you should see an error. Yes, uh, it will show you as I started. But we got the exception here, which is called initialization failed with the reason of Java net bind exception already address already in use. So the port is already binded to another service, so which I'm using. So if you're trying to open the same service, if you're trying to connect it to the same port or open the same port, which is already used by another service or other software, it will not allow you to do that. Even if you see a message as its server started, and even if you refresh that 8081, right? So 8081, 8081, it will not load the page. So you will be you will be in a confusion. So why it will not working? So make sure of your starting a server there is no exceptions in your log. So if you go on from the